Okay guys, today we're working on a 2015 Malibu. And then another thing, you always want to take your oil cap off to relieve pressure from your brake system. Okay, today we're working on these calipers, taking these calipers off of a Malibu. Okay, on a 2015 Malibu, to take the rotor off, you just need to take this bolt off and then that bolt off right there. And this whole assembly right here comes off. I've already taken the brakes off, which the brakes are pretty easy. But to do the rotor, you gotta take those two bolts off right there and up there. And then you gotta take this little pin out right here. So it's pretty simple, not too bad. All right. And sometimes if it doesn't come off with just that, by the way, that's a 21 millimeter. You might have to use a bar. My bar is probably about 2 foot. You don't need much, just a little bit of pressure. All right, once you get those two bolts out there successfully, you should be able to reach up here, grab that, and it should come out just like that. And then easily take your rotor off, take that pin out. Okay, let's open up the goodies. Let's see, we got brake pads here, ceramic. Well, okay, that's both sides. And let's open up. Where's my knife at? Ooh, look at there. Okay. Brand spanking new. Put that on there. Okay, well, I don't see the hole. Yep. Put it back together just like it comes off. I found a screw hole. So the screw goes in there, holds that together, and we're cooking with grease. One thing I want to tell you, after you do rotors, always put on new brakes. Always put on new brakes, because usually if your rotors got grooves in them, it'll transfer them over to the brakes, and then those brakes will not wear. They will not wear well. So always, if you do your rotors, always do the brakes. All right. And when you're done, this little screw down here, always give it a final little snug to see if you can get it any tighter. Don't try too hard, just snug. One of the main things you want to do when putting wheels back on, you want to go here and then go here and then go here, then go here, and then go here. All right. We swapped out these brakes and rotors. Okay. Always put jack stands under your vehicles. Yeah, Malibu LT. Jack stands everywhere.